Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to bring back Windows 10 Alt plus tab switch on Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see start. Okay guys, the first of all in the search box type a registry editor. So open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening that, first of all, select a H key current user and expand it. After doing this, just find out a select a software and expand it. After that, go down and find out a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this, find out a Windows. Select the Windows and expand it, and after that select a current version and expand it. Scroll down and find out the Explorer. Now here is the Explorer. Select it, right click on new, default 32-bit value, and set a name is alt tab. T is a capital and setting S is capital. After that, opening it and set a value data is 1. Click an OK button and close the registry editor. After that, close it and restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, right click, go to your right click, open a task manager, scroll down and find out Windows Explorer. It is a Windows Explorer. Select it and click on restart. After restarting that, restart your computer, and after doing this step, I hope you can bring up back Windows 10 Alt and Tab switch to Windows in 11. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube.